Morning comes when the sun is high. Time to wake and say goodbye to the sky. 12 numbers on the face, so round. The little hand makes not a sound. The big hand moves so fast and quick. Together they make the minutes tick. When the clock strikes 1, it's time for fun. Lunch at noon, when the big hand's on the sun. 3 o'clock, it's time to play. At 6 we call it the end of the day. At night, when the stars are out to shine, the clock shows 8 bedtime sign. Tick-tock, around it spins. Every new hour the day begins. Learn the time, it's easy as can be. Just watch the clock and you'll soon see. Hours and minutes, fast or slow, the clock helps you wherever you go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.